This video is going to cover the installation of our digital water softener and how simple it is to actually install in your home. I've chosen a piece of a section of pipe here. I'm using Wellsboro plastic pipe for my installation because my entire house is plumbed in that, but you can also install the digital water softener on copper pipe as well. And this happens to be 1 inch, and our standard system will accommodate water up to, or plumbing up to 1 inch in diameter. Most of the applications are going to be 3/4 inch, but mine happens to be 1 inch. So I've picked a place here that's easy to get to, that's that's wide open, and I can easily wrap my 5 inches of coil wire on this pipe here. So I'm going to do that next, and then I'll take you to the next step of this installation process. Okay, I've started to wrap my coil, and your coil, just make sure you don't have any slack in your coil as you wrap it around the pipe, and then slide it down tight. I'm on my first coil right now. I'll get to the top of this 5 inch mark, which is right here, and then I'll start my way back down, and then I'll show you what that looks like after I get finished. Okay, I'm starting my way back down now to the point of where I began, and the main thing that you're going to want to remember here is to be neat with your wiring. Don't leave any sags or slack, and make sure that the wire is down, pulled tight against the first coil. Make sure the second coil is pulled down against the first coil as you go all the way back to the point where you began. That's going to be your main thing. This is a little bit of a challenge. These tie straps here that you'll get with your installation kit, I would suggest maybe having a few of those on hand, and then maybe even a black roll of electrical tape to help you get the coil started. But after you get going, it's not that hard. Okay, our installation is complete, and you can see that as I wrap the wire, I kept them all nice and tight and clean. I used 2 tie straps on the top and 2 on the bottom, and that helps hold the coil together to keep it from sliding up and down the pipe while you're trying to wrap the wire around the pipe. I mounted the control module to the wall using a couple of screws, and then of course the 2 wires from the coil wrap go down underneath the unit and plug in, and I've got it plugged in, and you can see that the operation light is blinking, which the status light, that would mean that it's functioning properly. So this whole installation took me about 20 minutes. All you'll really need to install it is all I used is a screwdriver and a pair of side cutters to cut my wire and strip my wire back. But this is one of those products that is very easy to install. Nearly any adult can put one on, and doesn't require any special tools. And you notice immediate results as the water begins to flow through your plumbing system.